Can we solve this exponential equation quickly without trial and error? So let's explore how. So first understand the equation. 5 power a plus 5 power a is equals to 25 and we have to find the value of a. So we have two identical terms, that is 5 power a plus 5 power a. Like x plus x, we can write 2x. So we can write this as 2 times 5 power a is equals to 25. Now find the power. 5 power a is equals to 25 by 2. Now I am taking log on both sides. So log 5 power a is equals to log 25 by 2. According to log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So our left hand side become a log 5 is equals to log 25. I can write it as 5 square by 2. So a log 5 is equals to log 5 square by 2. Now another log rule, that is log a by b, we can write it as log a minus log b. So it becomes a log 5 is equals to log 5 square minus log 2. This log 5 power 2, again I can write it as 2 log 5 minus log 2. Now divide both sides by log 5. So a is equals to 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 2 by log 5. So a is equals to 2 minus log 2 is approximately 0.3010 by log 5 is 6989. So a is approximately 2 minus 0.43, which is 1.57, the value of a. So that's how we can solve this exponential equation with like terms. So if you like this trick, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more maths magic.